Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game, an LGBTQ plus edition of Pusuan or Laruan!
Di kita iwan, di pa pabayaan, pero wala ka na naman, at di ko maintindihan. Kung wala nang ganog ng magpaasa, dahil ako'y nasasaktan, ginagawa mo akong lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do, lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous singles over here, and we'll also be bringing out some sexy singles one by one. So, kung napupusuan niyo ang ating sexy single, feeling niyo magva-vibe kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kapag feeling niyo hindi kayo magma-match or hindi niyo siya vibe, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Woo! Hi!
Hey, yo, what's up?
What's your name and how old are you?
Well, my name is Zyrus, but everybody calls me Zero.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And ano naman job mo?
Well, currently, parakit-rakit ako kasi I'm still a student.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And how about your hobbies? What do you like to do for fun?
Well, I like partying and stuff.
Okay.
You know, the usual...
Party scene.
Yeah, party scene stuff
Okay.
in QC
All right.
stuff.
Okay. And ano mang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Physical or personality?
Ako, I... Most likely, nagde-depend ako sa personality. Kasi
Okay.
I'm a pansexual
Alright.
dude. So, you know, if you know Harry Style, he's also pansexual.
I love Harry Styles.
Yeah, very inclusive kami regardless of the gender, the way you
Okay.
present yourself, ganon. So, mas nananalo sa amin yung feelings more than
Feeling.
the outer,
Okay.
you know.
How about sa personality? Meron ka bang hinahanap or you're also open to any kind of personality?
Well, ang gusto ko lang sa personality is like, you know, yung someone that's going to match my freak. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Mamaya na naman malalaman kung anong kind of freak yun.
Yep.
Okay. And ano namang mga ano namang mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
When it comes to guys, I really hate it pag yung guy is like they have internal homophobia or they have tawag dito, they have transphobia. Kasi pag transphobic ka tapos nasa gay community ka, traidor ka.
You're not supporting sa community. Yes! Very very good daw. So right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng Okay. Puso ko. Alright, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you. I'd like you to choose, just based on what you're seeing right now, 2 balloons.
What? I feel like we're going to be best buddies. Though you're cute, bro. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, let's go over here. So, hi, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Peng Tolentino. I'm 26. I'm an event organizer in a BPO setup.
Okay, and bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
I think one of the reasons why na bakit hindi ako nag-pop is because I am seeing his energy. Magma-match kami if ever kung yung energy namin is parang, alam mo yun, younger version ko. Siguro.
So you can match his freak.
Yes, definitely.
Sayang.
So type mo naman sa ano siya?
Of course naman.
Okay. So bakit siya yung napop mo na balloon?
Wala lang, he's so brother-like lang. Parang gets mo ako. Like, kasi, yeah, the vibe, the aura, we're the
Okay.
same. Like, we're twinning, bra. So, yeah, maybe in another universe,
Okay.
in another timeline, we can really match our freaks.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
On another life.
Hello everyone, I am Christine Ilmasanca and I am 24 years old and currently right now I am from a fast food restaurant, Vida Ansaya.
Bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Mukha kasi siyang interesting the way yung vibe niya parang ansaya-saya lang. Tsaka I like party doing yung shot.
Inuman tayo soon.
Yes, why not, di ba? Baka hindi dito, mali sa labas, di ba?
Okay. So, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Definitely, yung energy kasi hindi rin talaga ako nagbibisa. Siguro, why not?
Okay, and bakit naman siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Wala lang kasi same reason sa kanina. Like, yung vibe namin mas mas friendship. Hindi ko siya parang platonic lang.
Okay.
You know, like the vibe is platonic. And like, you know, I like your short bra.
Bigla napatingin talaga ako. Ba't kanya ka makatingin sa shorts niya? Sabi niya, Judge! Ganun lang talaga. Alright, do you have any response to that?
Siguro kung ano yung nakikita mo, I respect naman yan. So, okay, go.
Alright.
Basta brother tayo.
Okay. Oh, mano po. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. So right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So now it's time for you to ask a question that will help you narrow down your choice.
Mahilig kasi ako sa music simula nung bata, especially pop girls. So tatanungin ko lang, sino yung main pop girl nyo and bakit?
My name is Yuri, 21, customer service representative. And to answer your question, si Beyonce.
Thank you, Beyonce.
Kasi di ba recently din parang tag siya as pop star of the century. And ever since when I was a child, siya talaga yung idol ko. So, si Beyonce.
All right. Thank you so much.
I like that.
Okay.
I like my
All right.
single ladies.
So I'm Justin, 20 years old. Actually, I'm an eduk student graduating. So kakatapos ko na ng practice teaching ko. Alam mo, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not into music kasi. So, honestly, wala. So, yun na yung...
Kahit OPM, wala.
Wala talaga. So, parang wala akong nagiging favorite. I just want to listen. It depends on my mood. Tsaka it depends on na message ng music. So, yun lang.
Pia Romero, 29, tech support.
Okay. And anong answer mo sa question niya?
Lalayo pa ba tayo? Britney Spears.
Yeah.
Pop Princess.
Hi, my name is Ramang Ubat, 25, from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Working as social media marketing.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
Si Popstar Bench. Charis. Hindi ako lalayo, so very local. Very local. Si Sarah Geronimo, Pop.
Hi, my name is Chloe Hamero. I'm 27 stunner and I'm working as travel arranger or tour operator. And to answer your question is I like Rihanna because of the song that they sang, which is the Monster.
With Eminem.
Yes, with Eminem.
I like that.
You
I like
got
that.
it.
Hi, my name is Rosty Malikdem. I'm 27 years old. I'm working as enhanced due diligence in a fintech company.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
Actually, there are two. For international, I love Rihanna kasi nung pinapanood ko yung Glee, fan na fan talaga ako nung We Found Love. Yun yung gustong-gusto kong kanta niya. And then sa OPM, si Sarah G talaga. Every time na pinapakinggan ko siya, kahit nasa bus ako, MRT, siya talaga yung nakapag-enlighten ng mood ko. So, yun po.
Hi, I'm Cali Empleo. You may call me Cali for short. And I'm 38 years old. And I'm working currently as a flight attendant. For my favorite pop girl, si Sabrina Carpenter.
Yeah!
And for my local, si Sarah G. I really love Sarah G. Sobra.
Yeah, you could have my espresso later, boo.
Me espresso. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Oh, this is so hard.
All right, let's start over here. So, bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon mo?
Wala, parang binigyan ko na siya ng chance. Actually, nagpa-plan na talaga ako mag-pop kasi yung nakikita ko kasi parang kitang estudyante.
Okay.
Oo, kasi may mga estudyante kasi akong ganyan manamit.
Okay.
So, tsaka yung itsura mo rin kasi is parang hindi ko din trip yung mga ganang face. Pero kung gusto mo ng freak, ay kayang-kaya. Hihigitan pa kita. Yun.
Okay. Alright, so bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
Sayang, you're definitely a type. Yeah,
Okay.
type she.
Eh, bakit siya yung pin-up mo?
Kasi she doesn't have a main pop girl. And to me,
Important sa'yo yun.
That's important to me kasi that's how we will unite, you know. Kanino tayo sasayaw pag slow dance and stuff.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
So I can dance naman kasi nagsasayaw naman. Pero yun nga, wala kasi akong favorite talaga.
Maybe soon I can introduce you to some of the pop stars I know. Diba?
Pwede naman pag ganon. Pero favorite, wala talaga. Kung gusto mo may favorite ako, wala talaga.
So bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, nung nakita ko kasi siya, gustong-gusto ko yung vibe niya. I'm a typical person kasi na ambivert. So, I'm very, pag sa work talaga ako. Pero kapag nasa labas talaga ako, very loud person ako. Kasi yun yung kapag enlighten ng mood ko. So, nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, I think yung sinasabi niya na freak, I can be a freak any.
Sayang.
Sige nga, sample. Joke. Anytime, di ba? Joke. So, type mo naman sana siya. Sample daw. Sample na.
Kasabayan kita.
Okay. So, type mo naman sana siya.
Oo, yun.
Sayang, sorry, oh my God.
Bakit mo siya pin-up?
Well, I kind of regret it. But like, yeah, ikaw na yung na-pop ko. But like, not because, I like your answers actually. But like, you know, kaya nga gusto ko sana one. So parang, I like everybody here. They might type. But
Okay.
like, sorry. But like, yeah. But maybe soon we could have coffee or something.
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
Sa unang date, saan tayo magde-date?
All right, so let's start over here.
Kung saan mo afford.
Tama. I love that. I love that answer. I love it.
Winner!
Kasi personally naman, kasi since into dating pa lang naman, I mean, we're not yet into a relationship. So, kasi ako, I firmly believe na if ever ako yung mag-aya, ako dapat yung taya. Kasi ako yung nag-aya sa'yo eh. So, kahit saan kaya katandalin, basta afford ko. So, I'm hoping the same you think about it too.
Yeah. Vice versa.
Siguro sa kwarto niya agad. Para vibe lang ng music, Spotify, chill. At least hindi gagastos. Hindi lalabas.
Kasama natin kuya ko.
Why not?
The more the merrier.
So, you said earlier you're from QC, tama? So, dadaling kita naman sa province. So, sa amin, sa Del Monte, Bulacan.
Wow. I like that.
Thank you so much.
I like you to join me if ever now we're going to a date. Siguro summer scenery. We just need a cup of coffee, then, just talk to know more each other. Yun lang.
Siguro for typical first date, I might ask you out. Pero depende kung afford mo din kasi 50-50 tayo.
Okay.
Usually I go for fine dining. And after that, we might go a different country perhaps. Sagot ko naman yung pamasahe if ever. Pero, yun, no. So, it depends lang talaga on how you perceive or how can you share or give into that kind of date lang.
Based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay.
Sorry.
All right, let's go over here. Hi, so bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, I just wanted to give him a chance to prove himself. I like the way he talked. Kasi he is very confident, and apart from that, maybe I seeing something that we can reunite together. Pero I guess maybe that will be in the future.
Yeah. Because we could be friends. Yeah, I'll vibe with you.
Okay, so I'm gonna go to you. Bakit mo siya pin-up?
Hindi kasi ako nagko-coffee, so nagninitpick na lang
Pwede
talaga
namang iba
ako.
yung i-order, di ba?
Sorry. Oh.
So yun lang yung reason?
Yeah,
because
but-
of the
but-
beverage?
Yeah, but like, I like the answer naman na something scenery. You know, I like that. Pero the competition's getting stiff and I kinda
Okay.
need to pick someone, you know?
Okay, alright. So, relative to everyone, siya lang yung napili mo.
Yeah.
Di ako nag-pop ng balloon agad because I wanna give him the benefit of the doubt na siguro he might be too young for me, pero I wanna see na if he can give something in return. Kasi I want to give everyone the benefit of the doubt na baka kaya naman niya siguro. Kaya that's why I'm asking, can you give something or 50-50 tayo? So that's it. Yun lang. I just want to give you the chance lang sana.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Oo naman. Mm-mm.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo? Na
Actually, he's a definitely my type.
Okay,
but
tapos?
like I can't afford fine dining right now, so I'm still racket lang ako. I'm student, bro. So
Okay, so budget-wise.
Budget wise. So and like you're a type, but like I can't afford you right now.
Maybe in the future.
Yeah, maybe in the future. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
I totally understand because I've been there. And thank you for the honesty.
Okay, and meron nag-pop ng balloon. All right. Hi. Hi. So bakit mo pinop yung balloon mo?
To be honest, kanina ko pa po talaga gustong ipop. Kumbaga parang binigyan ko lang din ng chance kasi that's the show naman like to give chance din. Like the vibe is there, I can feel. Pero more like kasi nakikita ko siya as my friend. Since you're into clubbing din, di ba? And I'm into clubbing din kasi like feeling ko mas magba-vibes tayo sa kanta. Like yung pa-party tayo. Tapos same tayo ng kanta.
Beyonce stuff.
Yeah, and also Rihanna. I'm also a fan of Rihanna.
Yeah, me too.
Then, kaya ako po pinap yung balloon kasi sabi niya hindi daw siya nagko-coffee. Yun lang. Parang yun na lang po yung parang turning point ka na. Sige, pop ko na.
Yun yung deal breaker mo.
Exactly. Kasi mahilig po ako magkape eh. So, kumbaga parang, let's say, for example, magde-date tayo, tapos gusto ko sa coffee shop. So, parang magiging, agad. Even though may non-coffee naman, pero, yun lang. Yun lang naman.
Do you have any response to that?
She's my type.
Oh.
Sa totoo lang.
Ay, pa-shy pa. Final answer na yon, or do you want a balloon back? Hindi na talaga.
Final answer na.
Ouch. Wait, I got hurt, bro.
All right. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
We gonna listen to Beyonce pa sana and stuff.
As friends daw. Malay mo naman, friends to lovers in the future.
We'll see.
So right now, we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to see if you're a good match for them.
Okay.
Pag lumabas ka ba, okay lang na may kasama kang trans, pero hindi clingy? Pero pag private naman, like doing PDA, okay lang ba yun?
Ako definitely kahit saan man, public place or sa kwarto man, private, 'di ba? Okay lang na clingy kasi I have so many trans friends na sobrang clingy rin naman sa akin, and I find comfort in that. Yon. So for me, if ever man magkakajowa ako na let's say trans, I consider you as a woman, ganyan. So okay lang talaga sa akin na lalabas tayo, magde-date tayo sa labas. Irregardless kung ano ka man.
If ever na you're in a relationship, how do you motivate your partner?
I think sa communicate, magpo-follow yan sa communicate, kung paano tayo magko-communicate sa isa't isa. So paano ba kita susuportahan, ganyan. Paano ko ba mapapakita sa iyo kung paano ka mahalin, ganon.
So since walang nag-pop sa kanila, it's up to you. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Oh my God. Both are definitely my type.
Sige, both na lang. And joke.
Pwede bang tatlo na lang? Tatlo na lang kami. Joke lang.
Trouble.
I mean, I'm open.
I mean, if you can match his freak.
Yeah, I'm that kind of freak, bro.
And then, but just for the purpose of this game, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Let's go over here. Hi. Okay, so before that, hi. Oh, so bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon agad?
Ayun, same as sinasabi ng mga nasa lineup, interesting yung personality niya. So, I think magiging vibe naman kami if ever. So, yun.
So, type mo sana siya?
Yeah, possibly, yeah.
Okay. And bakit naman siya yung napili mong i-pop?
Mas maganda kasi yung katabi niya.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Wala. I'm not against it.
But like, you're my type, bro. Like, definitely.
All right. Okay. Well, thank you so much. Okay, we have 1 last balloon over here, so please join us. Woo-hoo! So, do you guys have any final questions for each other?
So, I'm kind of like, I'm still young. I'm still in the process of like being improving my maturity. So most definitely may mga instances na mapusok ako since I'm still a kid. The question is like, how can we make that work if ever?
As long na may kinig ka at willing to learn, yun lang.
Wow.
And how about you? May question ka pa ba for him?
Are you ready?
Am I ready? Yeah, most definitely. That's why I'm here.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Why not?
Okay. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
All right. We have a puson match. All right. Please take each other's hand, and you can go into your happily ever after. May paganon. All right, here comes our next sexy single.
Hello.
Hi. What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Pablo. I'm 35 years old.
Okay, and ano namang job mo?
I work in BPO industry for 12 years as
Okay.
process associates.
All right, and what do you like to do for fun or anong hobbies mo?
My fun hobbies, I played online games, Mobile
okay.
Legends, if you know. And also, I love to travel. I do hiking also. Not all the time.
Okay. And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Physical or personality?
Actually, I'm a gay and ang hanap ko sa partner ko it's caring and also maintindihin. Yun.
So right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you. Just based on what you're seeing right now, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay, let's start over here. So what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
Hello, I am Christine Masangke and I am 24 and I am currently working as a fast food service crew.
And bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, nung sinabi niyang gay, wala namang matter sa akin if ano yung gender mo eh. Hindi naman gender lang yung magpapaano sa pagmamahala ng isang tao eh. As long as tanggap kita, tas tanggap mo rin ako, wala namang mali doon. So siguro, interesting, same gender, why not?
Type mo naman sana siya.
Yeah.
Akala ko kung ano yung Masuspense naman kasi akala ko magiging ano.
Kasi kailangan lahat ng bagay pinag-iisipan mo na bago mo sabihin.
Yes.
Alright.
Tama,
Thank you so
tama
much.
naman.
Pero sayang.
May patir ba? Okay. And bakit naman siya yung napili mong i-pop?
I see him as a friend.
Anything specific na sa vibe niya?
Wala naman. Yun lang yung vibes ko talaga. Parang,
parang
pwede kami
friend
maging
vibe.
friend. Yes.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Shut na.
Later.
Alright.
Hi, my name is Ramang Ubat, 25. I'm working as social media sales and marketing.
Okay. And bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
First, pagpasok niya, interesting naman yung looks niya and yung mga hinahanap niya, something na kaya ko namang i-provide if ever.
Okay. Type mo naman sana siya.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Sabi niya, akin siya. Okay. Alright. And on your end naman, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Siguro, mas okay sa akin yung height. Kung parehas ng height. Pero don't get offended about that. And he's too young. Sabi niya 25.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Dapat nag-heels ako dito.
Ito na. Ito na lang daw. May mga nagpapahiram.
Palitan.
Okay, all right. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
In a relationship, how do you handle the arguments?
Hello, I'm Peng Tolentino. I'm 26 years old. I'm an event organizer in a specific BPO company. Just to answer your question, how would I handle arguments in relationship? First, I would seek for understanding. Magpa-follow kasi yung mga susunod doon. Like for example, if you understand both sides, acceptance will coming through na.
Hi, my name is Yuri, 21. I'm working as customer service representative. And to answer your question, to be honest, I cannot see it or I don't want it to see it as an argument. Kasi parang normal naman yun, parang something like, misunderstanding, I guess. Pero how we're gonna be dealt with it? Siguro better communication. Siguro let's understand first what's the root or anong cause nung misunderstanding natin, and then the rest will follow na ganun.
Wow.
Or communication.
As a customer service talaga.
Not really.
Yes.
Pero yeah, parang yun din nakatulong sa akin kasi syempre I'm dealing with a lot of people, different concerns and stuff. Pero parang kaya ko rin siya apply as my potential partner, in the future.
So, hi, I'm Justin, 22 years old, and I'm an eduk student. So, para ma-answer ko yung sagot na yan, so depende naman dun sa situation kung ano yung pinag-away ninyo. Meron kasing maliit at malaki. So, kung maliit lang yan, madadaan yan sa maayos na usapan at madaling usapan. At kung pagdating sa malalim na at talagang hindi nagkakaintindi ng pareho, but hindi muna natin bigyan ng oras o isang tabi muna for a while. Pero wag na natin napaabutin ng kinabukasan dahil hindi okay yun.
Hi, my name is Chloe Hamero. I'm 27 years old and I'm currently working as travel operator in a private company.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
To answer your question, actually, I guess it is better if you have proper communication with the person. Kasi you will need to find the root the cause, in order for you to provide the resolution. Kung paano nyo ma-handle, kung paano nyo isa-settle yung argument. Yun lang.
Hi, my name is Rostep Malikdem. I'm 27. I'm working as an enhanced due diligence officer in a fintech company.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
Actually, to answer your question, communication is there. I mean, very broad kasi yung communication na tinatawag. Pero ako, I wanted to tone down the high argument that we have. Kasi we might throw bad words to each other at yun magiging reason para mas lalong lumalim yung misunderstanding natin sa isa't isa. So, we'll tone down for a while and then let's reflect what's going on, what seems to be the problem. Parang sabi nga nila, in a fintech company, you have to check the root cause of everything. Then find a solution. Both of you need to talk to each other para maintindihan nyo yung isa't isa, and then also provide your own opinion. Kasi yung pag misunderstanding sa isa't isa, that will help you to grow on your next on your few years na magkasama pa kayo.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Kakagula. Okay.
Hi, I'm Callie. I'm 38 years old and I am a flight attendant. And to answer your question, I believe in the saying na don't add fuel to the fire. Kung medyo mait ulo ko, leave me alone. Kung mait ang ulo mo, I'll leave you alone. By the time that you're okay and I'm okay, then maybe we can talk.
Okay.
And that's how we can resolve something.
Yes.
And wag lang ipaumaga natin the next day lang. Let's not sleep on it. Let's work on it the night before.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to pop 2 balloons.
Medyo mahirap.
Okay, let's start over here. Hi. Umiyak daw siya. Huwag kang umiyak. Ito, gawa ng issue. Alright, so hi. Bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
I think the maturity kasi makikita mo kaagad. Yung sa personality niya. The maturity comes from, nag-glow. So, that's one thing that I'm seeing sa kanya. But yeah, that's the reason why I didn't pop my balloon.
Type mo So, type mo sana siya.
Of course naman.
So, bakit siya yung na-pop mo na balloon?
Mas gusto ko siya maging friend eh.
Oh,
Yun.
okay. Friend vibe yun nakuha mo sa kanya. And is there anything specific na biglang friend yun na feel mo sa kanya?
Oo, gano'n na parang, ay, okay to. Parang, okay maging friend. Yung kabanding, gano'n.
Okay.
Oo.
Alright, okay. Do you have any response to that?
Party tayo mamaya, bro.
Later. Sige.
So, bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Wala, parang nag-go with the flow na lang ako kasi, and yung pagpasok mo rin kasi, it looks interesting pero hindi ako ganun ka-interested para maging into relationship. So, nag-just go with the flow. So, inantay ko lang ipop mo yung balloon. Ganun lang.
So, hindi mo siya nakita in a romantic way?
Hindi po.
And how about in your end? Bakit siyang napili mong ipop?
She is 21 years old.
23.
Yeah, it's too young. Sorry.
Okay, so wala sa age range na. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
In dating, which do you prefer? Just a simple date or expensive date?
Hi. So, anong answer mo sa question niya?
I would say simple date. Or, depends. Pero for now, I would say simple date. Kasi,
anything in specific in mind?
Like yung affordable pa lang naman. Kasi, yun nga, like yung affordable. Kasi since both of us naman, we have work eh, diba?
Yes.
So siguro for now, we can do simple. Tapos as time goes by, pag gusto natin, kasi as a person, it's one of my love languages, eh, quality time. So, I like also to try out restaurants or, alam mo yun, like dates. So, siguro eventually, we can go for expensive date. Pero for now, simple, yes.
Okay, how about...
Yes. Thank you.
May pa-applause eh. Okay, and how about over here?
To answer his question, I guess it will depends. So I guess if ever in the first date, I'll go with the simple one. But if in case that, the bond and the relationship will grow in the future, maybe we can go to the expensive one.
Like level up, gano'n. Okay.
Ako gusto ko talaga simple. Kasi parang hindi naman nasusukat sa simple or expensive date yung pagkilala nyo sa isa't isa. It's a mere communication. It's a mere of feelings to each other. Kung kahit simple yan or expensive yan na date nyo sa isa't isa, as long as na magka-vibes kayo, kahit nga turo-turo lang yan sa tabi-tabi kung talagang kayo sa isa't isa, kayo talaga sa isa't isa. So, yun.
Thank you so much.
Pang Miss Universe yung mga sagot, no?
All right, and lastly?
To answer your question, expensive or simple date? Well, it depends on the definition of expensive. Of course, I would go for expensive date. Expensive date, it doesn't mean in terms of money. It can be the memories that we share together. Or the times that we have spent together. Those are expensive for me because hindi lang mapapalitan ka agad yan eh.
Okay.
Ganun lang talaga.
So not monetary.
Pero as much as possible, gusto ko rin monetary at the same time kasi I can give something to you along the way na I know na I can provide you something. Pero gusto ko din na something na I can show na sincerity and andun yung willingness to spend for me. Yun lang.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to pop 2 balloons. All right. So let's go over here. So bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
He's my type. Like overall. Like literally, he's my type. Yun nga, syempre, he's my type. So, I'm looking forward to know him more. Ganon. But, hip-hop na ako eh. Hip-hop mo na ako eh.
Okay, so bakit mo naman siya pin-up?
Siguro may nakita akong pinaka-best answer talaga.
Okay.
Ay, ito ba?
Siya daw yung best.
Sorry.
So, just compared to everyone else, yung
Yes.
answer lang, mas na-prefer mo yung sa iba.
Mas na talaga yung ano.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
Okay lang.
Okay, alright.
That's okay.
Okay, alright.
I'm the best.
Siya pa rin talaga daw yung best. Okay. Alright, thank you so much. Hi. So, bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, I really into a mature man. Then apart from that is I really sense kung paano yung when it comes to the mature na meron siya. So parang for me is I like to give him a chance to prove himself with regards to maturity.
So on your end naman, bakit siya yung pin-up mo?
Well, actually, may kamukha siya yung ka-work ko.
Okay. So bawal na may kamukhang workmate?
Hindi naman. Ka-close ko kasi din before.
Okay.
Kaya parang hindi ko nakikita na
in that
makamatch
way.
ko.
Okay. Do you have any
match
response to
doon.
that?
Congratulations.
Alright. Okay, so right now we have just 2 balloons left. So sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them find out kung tama ka bang match for them. Alright, let's start with you.
Oh, kinakabahan ako so.
Ako din kinakabahan.
Galing-galing mo nga sumagot eh.
Oo, galing
ikaw
pa
naman
naman
magtanong ngayon.
Siguro, this might be a very tricky question. Kasi 'di ba, most of us LGBT community have their own red flags. So I will base my question on that red flag. Kung mag-cheat ka, anong klaseng pag-cheat yung gagawin mo?
Medyo mahirap. Kung mag-cheat ako, kung anong klase.
Yung yung naiisip mo lang. Yung naiisip mo lang. Yung possible mo gawin sa isang karelasyon mo.
I'm not pretty sure kung consider to as cheating, but I think watching adult movies. Yes. Is this considered to you as a cheating?
Kung sa'yo considered as cheating, okay lang naman. I mean, it's your own, it's a very subjective thing kasi. But I just wanted to know what is the things that comes into your mind kapag sinabi na word na cheating.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Okay, how about you? Anong question mo for our sexy single?
Actually, I have 3 questions.
3 questions. Okay, isa-isa lang muna. Sige, question number 1.
What's your zodiac sign?
What's your zodiac sign daw?
My zodiac sign is Aries.
Aries. Okay.
What is yours?
Pisces.
Okay. And question number 2.
Question number 2. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
And last question.
What's a deal breaker for you?
Di ba kanina natanong ko na yan?
Yes, earlier.
Not listening. Okay. Confirming lang daw.
Yan.
Inconsistency. Okay, so since wala nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, it's your turn to choose. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Wait lang.
Okay. All right, let's go over here. So, bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
He's my type kasi. So, I really wanted to impress him so much with the questions that he have. So, ang reason kasi bakit tinanong ko sa'yo yung cheating kasi I've been in a trauma. So, that's the reason why I've been single for almost 8 years.
Oh, tagal na pa.
And then, yung 7 years na naging karelasyon ko, sobrang sakit ng pinagdaanan ko. So, I was shattered so much. Kaya, iniisip ko kung itatanong ko sa'yo yun, like, kung may possibility ba na mag-cheat ka or hindi. Kasi that's a very big deal. Kasi parang, kung yung mga pagkakataon na yun, kapag sumugal pa ako ulit, baka talagang I will be shattered so much na baka hindi ko kayanin. Yun lang naman. Yun lang.
Okay. And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Actually, nahirapan ako sa question niya.
Okay.
Kasi...
Hindi mo kinaya yung
Hindi ko pala ako maisip kung ano. Kasi kung nasa naman kami, kung in a relationship naman, in every magiging partner mo, you will try your best na hindi ka mag-cheat. Kaya tinanong ko na lang sa kanya kung ang pag-watch ba ng adult movies is
considered cheating
consider as a cheating sa'yo. So,
okay, do you have any response to that?
No, it's fine. And sana magka-match kayo. Yun lang naman yung ko lagi.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we have 1 balloon left. So let's go over here. All right. Medyo nakarami ka na ng questions, but I'll just ask you guys again. Do you have any final questions for each other?
Saan tayo punta after?
Saan punta agad after?
Sa bahay ko na lang.
Akala ko ba expensive din? Biglang ka na-judge bigla, no?
No, I'm kidding. No, let's have a dinner date na lang siguro.
Oh.
All right. And how about you? Meron ka pa bang final questions para sa kanya?
How do you love your job? Since I've heard na 12 years ka na nag-work with your job.
Before kasi I work as customer service inbound calls. I love my job right now. The recent one because it's only a chat support, so it will be easier for me. It's not stressful anymore.
All right.
The reason why I asked the question because I want to see how loyal you can be with something.
Yes.
Kaya nakita ko naman yung loyalty mo and I want to see consistency din. Since I'm an inconsistent na tao, I want to see consistency from you din. Yun lang.
All right. So now I'm gonna ask you guys, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure.
I hate you! Okay. Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure na.
Oh, thank God. All right, we have a pusuan match. Okay, you can take each other's hands and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! Woo! All right, here comes our next sexy single. Taas ng energy. Hi. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is RV. I am 29 years old po.
Okay, and ano namang job mo? What do you do for a living?
I am a financial controller. Like more a professional accountant po.
Okay, and what do you like to do for fun? Or ano mga hobbies mo?
Bali, mahilig po mag-workout tapos mag-travel din po.
Okay.
Tapos I love to play with my cats.
Okay.
I have 2 babies, si Cassie tsaka si Marga.
Shout out to them.
Yes.
Okay, so ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Physical or personality?
Siguro sa partner, siguro I like to have someone na yung gusto ng future together. Kasi I see myself living together with a partner. I don't want to find a partner na probably short term lang.
You want long term na parang
Yes,
ready
po.
to settle down?
Probably.
Okay. And how about mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siguro po ayoko po sa tao na yung magka-clash yung personalities and probably magkaiba ng principle sa buhay. Ayoko po kasi nung tao na gusto nila yung marating yung isang bagay in a bad way or in a harm way because I don't like people who harm other people.
Okay.
So, ayun po.
Okay, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Ang hirap naman po. Lahat po sila maganda and gwapo din.
Okay, and one more. Hi, so what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Peng Tolentino, 26. I am an organizer or event organizer in a BPO setup.
And bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon agad?
Actually, I was thinking kung ano yung reason kung bakit ko siya ipapop. So, mahirap kasi yung sobrang, I think, feel ko talaga, same wavelength kami. Parang, he's a cat person, I am a dog person, tapos parang, maganda yung thinking niya. So, there's no reason for me to pop. And, ayun, parang, okay, sige, pinap niyo ako.
So, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Gladly with the answer or with the background, yes.
And how about on your end? Bakit siyang napili mong ipop?
Actually, ayoko po talaga mag-pop.
So, ba't ka nandito?
I mean, I like their aura po.
Okay.
I mean, yung aura po kasi, parang kumbaga it's the energy na ginigive nila sa akin.
Okay.
And siguro, kaya ako na siya na-pop kasi parang kumbaga, probably on some other way, we might not work as a couple.
Okay. Anong nafe-feel mo just from the vibes?
Medyo magaan yung vibes niya po eh. So parang kumbaga, probably not in a romantic way.
Okay. So more often a friend kind of way.
Siguro if we will get to know each other, probably that's po.
Alright. Do you have any response to that?
Actually, ang ganda ng sagot. Tama yung parang, ang hirap kasi talagang hanapin yung romantic answer kung pares kayo ng wavelength. Parang masisira lang yon if you're not going to work as a romantic couple. Diba?
Hi, my name is Rosdave Malikdem. I'm 27. I'm working as an enhanced due diligence officer in a fintech company.
Okay. And bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, nung sinabi niya kasi yung pusa, may pusa kasi ako. Tapos love na love ko yung pusa ko kasi siya yung first pet ko na pinag-awayan namin ng tatay ko. Okay. Kasi ayaw niya ng pusa. So, kinip ko lang siya. At the same time, kasi kamukha niya yung BL actor, kaya hindi ko pinap.
Sino?
Hindi. Kamukha niya isa sa napanood ko. So, that's the reason why I want him to know more. Yun lang naman.
So, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Oo. Yun naman. I wanted to give a chance to each other. I don't have any preferences when it comes to a person that I wanted to be with. As long as na, yun, sabi mo nga na you wanted to settle things. And yun yung gusto ko.
Right. And how about on your end? Bakit siyang napili mong ipop?
Ano po, nahirapan po talaga ako mag-pop sa kanila kasi parang lahat sila, parang ang ganda po ng aura na energy na binibigay sa akin. Siguro kaya ako na lang po talaga siya na-pop. Probably, siguro parang kinumpare ko na lang po yung energies nila.
Okay.
Parang ganun na lang po. Pero, I mean, she's beautiful din po.
Okay. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
Do you consider yourself a people pleaser and why?
Hello, I am Christine Ilmasanque. I am 24 and I am currently working as a fast food chain and service crew.
And yung answer?
Siguro, pleaser, kasi big word siya, to be honest. Kasi meron siyang negativity at meron siyang positivity way. So, kasi ako, pleaser ako sa taong sobrang mahal na mahal ko. Kapag, alam mo yung pinagsamahan namin, ayokong i-give up na lang. So, piniplease ko siya na to stay with me, to be with me, and then, if diba, nasasayangan lang ako sa mga moment na nabuo namin. Kaya, siguro nagiging pleaser ako. Siguro.
My name is Yuri, 21, customer service representative. I would say I'm not a people pleaser. Kasi, ba't tayo magpi-please ng ibang tao? As long as alam mo sa sarili mo na you don't harm other people or you just do you. Parang hindi naman mag-matter kung ano sasabihin nila sa'yo. Like, why would you please them? That's just for me. Yan lang.
Thank you so much.
So, hi, I'm Justin, 23, EDOC student. So, sagot ko din is depende sa situation at sa tao. So, kung kinakailangan ko talagang i-please yung tao, talagang gagawin ko talagang pagmahal ko. Pero kung hindi naman talaga, I will cut off talaga. Ganun lang naman yun.
Hi, my name is Ramang Ubat, 25, from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, working as social media marketing. So, ang answer ko doon is, yes, I'm a people pleaser. Kasi siguro, dahil part na rin siya ng work ko sa social media marketing, you have to market everything. Yan. So, bukod doon, ayoko nang may masamang tinapay sa akin ng isang tao. So, gusto ko, we are all goods. Parang all good in the hood.
Hi, my name is Chloe Hamero. I'm 27 years old and I'm currently working as tour operator or a travel arranger in a private company.
And ano nung answer mo sa question niya?
To answer your question, I am not. Because as a Libra person, I'm not going to cloud my judgment for any reasons kasi I can stand on my own. No matter what happened, I can stand on my own reason as long as it is on the right path.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Siguro ako muna po kasi ako people pleaser din po kasi ako ng tao. As a cat person. So parang...
Ganun ba lahat ng cat people?
Kasi pag cat kasi, kailangan mo sila yung ipiplease po.
Okay.
Ganun kasi.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah. That makes
compared
sense.
sa dog, yung dog kasi, yung dog yung nagpiplease sa amo.
Okay.
So parang pag cat dad ka, cat person ka, kailangan ikaw mismo yung magpiplease sa pusa mo. So ako din consider myself people pleaser.
Okay. Okay, let's start over here. So, bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
First of all, mukha naman siyang interesado. Kasi mahilig ako sa older than me. Tsaka gusto ko kasi yung parang feeling ko naman yung vibe niya is tuturuan niya ako ng mga new things, which actually hindi ako mahilig sa pusa. So, siguro parang exciting naman. Why not? So, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ako nag-pop ng balloon kasi. Dahil dun. Siguro gusto ko lang din makatry ng new fan siguro. Kaya ako rin, pero choose niya yan eh.
So type mo ba sana siya?
To be honest, yeah. I like chubby person. Pero choice mo yan eh. Get lost. Just.
And how about on your end, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Ano po, parang may nag-flashback lang sa akin nung sinabi niya nagbe-beg kasi.
Okay.
So parang I experienced with my ex, we beg for each other. So parang in a way, parang magulo siya kasi ako nagbe-beg, siya nagbe-beg. Parang on and off po kami. And siguro probably, mas gusto ko mas firm ka sa sagot. Okay. Parang kung yung decision mo. If you like to stay, you'll stay. If you like to go, you can go. Parang ganun po.
So ayaw mo na maulit yun?
Yes po, yung parang magvavali kami na parehas kaming magbebeg sa isa't isa.
Do you have any response to that?
Sa tingin mo, gagawa ka ba na ikaka-please mo sa akin?
What na?
Anything to say? Speechless siya bigla. Hinintay ko
Parang kasing, ewan ko, parang feeling ko parang mauulit.
Joke lang. Si akin, thank you. Naiintindihan ko naman kung ano yung yun. Pero yun na nga.
Oh my God! Bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Eto kasi yon. So, nalulungkot ako kasi pinop mo ako. Actually, super interesting tsaka type talaga kita. Alam mo bakit? My first cat ay galing pa sa tatay ko, which is my Siamese. So, alam mo, grabe ko i-please yung cat namin. Especially pag may sakit siya. So, yung nagigive ako ng time, nagpupuyat ako para lang ma-please yung cat ko na gumaling. Lalo na pag buntis yun, ako talaga yung nagigive ng time para ma-care siya. So, ganun ako ka-care sa cat. Ganon. So, and yung sa personality and looks mo talaga, iba yung dating mo sa akin. So, sayang talaga. So, at saka yung pagtingin mo sa future, lalo na yung nagkaroon na kasi ako ng live-in. So sayang. So, I want to try new with you naman. So, yun, thank you.
Okay, and how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Parang nag-isip na po ako ulit.
What? So you want
Yes po.
to give a balloon back? Okay.
Hindi, kasi na-touch siya ko eh. Kasi parang, siguro kaya ako pinap yung balloon mo kasi parang binase ko lahat ng sagot.
Okay.
Parang I give equal treatment. Kaso parang, kumbaga, kasi ang sagot mo depende, 'di ba? So parang in a way, hindi siya firm. Kaso nung sinabi mo yung sagot mo, parang alam mo yun,
natamaan ka sa heart.
Yes, so. Parang kasi syempre ibig sabihin nun, I'm willing to take care of you, I'm willing to shelter you and all. So yun parang if ever okay lang po ba?
Okay, let's give a balloon back. Well, now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So magtanong ka ulit ng isang question to help you narrow down your choice.
Average naman. What is your love language? Can you describe me kung paano nyo siya gagawin sa partner nyo?
So let's start over here. Anong answer mo sa question niya?
Average po, 90.
Parang mali, pero okay.
Love language, sa giving ko, pati sa receiving, physical touch. Like, I want someone na really affectionate. Kasi ganun din ako eh. I'm really affectionate eh. Parang, doon ko mas napipil na parang, alam mo, mahal mo ako, ganun or something. Tapos, quality time. Both giving and receiving.
Okay, and hello again. Okay, yung answer mo sa question niya?
So, nagbabalik. So, physical touch, act of service, saka quality time. So, syempre, gusto ko kasi ako yung pinupuntahan and yung act na yun is pwede natin isama yung cat sa bonding, yung ganon. Yung gusto ko yung mga ganon na talagang doon tayo magkakasundo at kung saan ka masaya, doon ako.
Sa giving and receiving ko, acts of service tsaka quality time po. Ayun. So, nabanggit niya kanina na gusto niya yung makakasama niya longer and for good. So, ganun po ako. So, I identify myself as parang pagkisilbihan kita and mamahalin kita ng lubos. Yeah.
Hi. My love language are physical touch and quality time. Well, physical touch kasi I'm really clingy to my partner. So, if I'm gonna sell myself to you, so I will assure you that you will not have any problem with regards to physical touch, especially quality time. I love really quality time because I love to do something more with you na you find it exciting, but not only exciting, that you will make yourself feel na validate yung feelings mo. Yan lang.
Thank you so much. But siya lang may applause. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Alright, let's go over here. Bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon mo?
First, interesting naman siya. And gusto ko yung hotness ng intelligence niya. So, ang ganda rin niya tumingin sa future and ang ganda ng perspective niya sa buhay. So, I like it.
So type mo sana siya?
Yeah, definitely.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
Mahirap po magpili. Actually, sobrang bigat po kasi nung mga nabigay nung mga natira. Parang tumatak na po sa akin. So parang kaya...
So mas nag-resonate sa'yo yung answers nila.
Yes po. Pero to be honest, kagaya po ng sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng sagot po nila, if I would have a choice, lahat po, yun yung gusto kong sagot. Okay. However, since kailangan ko pong mamili, yun po.
Okay, and over here, bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, I find it really attractive eh. For me kasi, I really like how yung physical appearance niya since I really love chubby guys. And apart from that is, if you don't mind, I will share it na lang din na since you told us na people pleaser ka. Well, I am one though, but in animals because I have dog as well and I have 2 cats. Yeah. So, yan, parang ang akin is, it's your choice. Yan lang.
So type mo naman sana siya.
Yeah, actually, it's really into my, to my bucket.
Chicken daw sa bucket. Okay, and how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Ayun, sinabi niya kasi na cat parent na dog cat mom
Ngayon
pala
niya lang
siya.
sinabi.
Kaya nga so too late na siguro. Pero if I still have, other opportunities, I can still meet her.
Okay, so we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na Art. So, sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to see kung tama ka bang match for them.
Okay po.
So, let's start over here. Anong question mo for our sexy single?
Since this is a pre-dating, and let's say, for example, na we're gonna be a potential partner.
Yeah.
If ever na hindi man tutol yung parents mo when it comes to sa setup ng relationship natin, ipaglalaban mo ba?
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's a good question. Ako kasi, I live independently, so I don't need my parents' approval. Pero, since I still have my parents, I would still, parang sabihin ko pa rin sa kanila. And to be honest, dito, pumunta ako sa dating show na to. Sinasabi sa akin ng mom ko, pupunta ka dyan? You're gonna meet guys, you're gonna meet girls, but not straight girls. But for me, I don't care. So, syempre, sasabihin ko. Hindi lang sa parents ko, popost ko pa sa Facebook, ganyan.
Okay, alright. I'll come back to you later. Anong question mo for our sexy single?
So, ready ka bang magmahal ng kaya ko at kaya mo bang ligawan ako pati ang magulang ko?
Okay. Siguro yung unang tanong, yes. To be honest, I haven't dated a trans, but I dated a girl before. And parang I still have this idea na I like pretty women. So, I treat trans women as women. So, yes, that's my answer. And then, liligawan sa magulang, medyo hirap ako kasi hindi ako traditional. Parang yung family setup ko kasi is ako lang din mag-isa. Yung parang independent. So parang so siguro medyo may hirapan ako dun sa setup na yon. But I would still ask if ever yun yung kailangan.
Okay, so since hindi sila nag-pop ng balloon, it's up to you to choose one balloon based on your interactions.
Hindi na pa ako pwede magtanong sa kanila.
Maybe later when you choose one. Oh, okay. Siya na nag-choose for you. Okay, let's go over here. Ano nangyari? Grabe. Walling. Okay, so ano nangyari?
Actually, kanina ko pa talaga gustong ipop yung balloon. Siyempre, gusto ko lang din mabigyan ng chance, gusto kong malaman. Pero ang pinaka-reason ko kasi ba't gusto ko ipop yung balloon, kasi ang sabi mo, you're looking for someone na you can live with na, kumbaga parang live-in or what. Kumbaga based on her answer, kasi mas nakikita ko yan for her.
Okay.
Tsaka din sa last question ko, feeling ko mas nasagot mo yun. Yung tanong niya. Kasi sa tanong ko, kasi parang hindi mo siya directly nasagot. Para nagbigay ka lang ng situation.
Yeah,
so,
correct.
ako na yung nag-pop sa akin para, diba? Okay.
You're welcome daw.
Yeah.
Did you have any response to that?
Nasad ako. Kasi,
Nasad ka?
Yes, kasi inaay ko na rin siya.
Paano yan?
Opo.
Oy, ilang balik ng balon yung mangyayari sa round na to. Kasi naman, pala desisyon yung isa dyan.
I don't see myself kasi talaga like yung Hindi, not really romantic. In a way na parang yung we live together na. Kasi I'm breadwinner kasi first of all. Tsaka, I'm 21, so parang I still have more to explore.
Well, thank you so much. And we have one balloon left, so let's go over here. Okay, so before I ask you guys, do you have any final questions for each other? Ikaw, meron ka bang question pa sa kanya?
Parang wala na naman.
How about your end? Meron ka ba bang question para sa kanya? And the winner is...
Sabihin na natin, since, di ba, ang setup mo, you still have your cats and then you still live with your family. Do you see yourself na makikipag-live-in?
Actually, yes. Kasi sa family kasi namin, ang gusto kasi ng parents namin is maging independent kami pagka-graduate. So, since graduating ako, kakatapos ko lang ng practice teaching ko, so malapit na nila din akong i-let go at hayaan kung saan daw ako masaya.
Alright, so sure ka na ba sa kanya?
100%.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Papap ko po siya.
Oh! Okay, go ahead. Lahat na nag-walling.
Siguro gusto ko muna sabihin kasi parang, di ba, since kakagraduate mo lang, so you still need to provide to your family first. So, I like the idea na your family is willing to let you go. Mm-hmm. Pero, you know, kasi kapag, when you talk about live-in, you have to be ready. Mm-hmm. You have to be ready financially, emotionally, mentally. Mm-hmm. And so, parang naiisip ko na, syempre, parang kumbaga, we still need time. Parang yun yung naisip ko. Kumbaga, I like her personality. I like someone who will take care of me then. Pero parang, kumbaga...
Situation lang.
Yeah, situation.
Circumstance.
Kasi parang she's still with her family. Okay. And I feel na her family still needs her pa.
Do you have a response to that?
Kung sa family naman, so it's okay, pero not totally needed naman talaga. Kasi isa na lang kasi ang papagraduating namin since third year college na rin naman siya. So, may balak na rin naman mag-retire din naman ng parents ko.
Ilan kayong magkakapatid?
4. 3 lalaki, mga kapatid ko. So, last na lang yung papa-graduating nila mama at papa na third year college na rin. So, malapit na rin gumraduate.
So, parang after nyo gumraduate, parang okay na, ganun?
Settled na. Ikaw, nasa'yo naman yan.
So, sorry, indecisive. Naging indecisive ako.
Okay.
There's a chance. Okay.
Sige, papop ko na lang po.
Okay. Okay. Ito na naman sila walling. Okay. So, yun talaga. Because of the situation and circumstance, hindi mo nakikita na mag-work out at this time.
Siguro parang una, kasi parang ang system, binigay niya sa kanya na parang ikaw na lang. So, parang sa akin.
So meron ka bang preference ba sa lineup?
Siguro yung pakiramdam na parang siya na lang sa'yo.
Okay. So, hindi mo nagustuhan yun?
Yes po.
Sila nag-decide for you?
Yes po. So, parang nangyari kasi, di ba parang, sige, siya na lang. Though,
okay.
I like her. Pero kasi, parang yun po yung, na parang nasaktan din ako. Nasaktan ako sa, niya.
Okay. Gusto niyo kayong 3 na lang? Pwede na naman?
Okay lang.
Sorry daw.
Yes.
Okay, alright. Hindi kayo nag-match today, but thank you so much for joining. And I hope you can join again next time. Sayang, but thank you so much. Alright, thank you. And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to watch more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusuan or Laruan! Waling.
Tuwing nag-iisa akong gustong makasama, ning sawa ka na biglang